First at 5, two former city officials have pleaded guilty to conspiring to secretly pay a corrupt police chief.
And a third former official cut a deal to pay restitution and clear his record. Our Daryl Huff has tonight's top story.
Today's hearings bring to an end nearly a decade of corruption cases, with the final three defendants hesitant to say that they've done anything wrong. You did, though, accept responsibility.
We're not going to answer any questions, thank you.
But you did.
We're not going to answer any questions.
Former Corporation Counsel Donna Leong and former Police Commission Chair Max Sword arranged the $250,000 contract buyout for Chief Louis Kealoha while he was under federal investigation. After 4 years of prosecution, today they each pleaded guilty to a single misdemeanor and agreed to pay $100,000 each in restitution.
I was wrong to sacrificing transparency for expediency. The process of agreeing to the separation agreement should have played out in the light of day.
In court, Leong did confirm the agreement to avoid the counsel, even though that broke the law, but wouldn't admit wrongdoing to reporters. Her lawyer said she accepted the deal to get it over with, avoiding jail and a career-ending felony.
There was no greed, no self-interest, no self-benefit to any of them by doing this. They were just trying to do their job. You know, it's really unfortunate that they were prosecuted for that.
I just really wanted to thank my family, my many friends, and my former work colleagues, all of whom have expressed their unwavering belief in me.
Judge Leslie Kobayashi accepted the plea deals and said the two acted with arrogance, with complete disregard for the law and the constitutional separation of powers. In his deal, former managing director Amamiya admitted he knew HPD opposed the payout, but implored leaders not to publicly voice their opposition. Do you have any regrets at this point?
I think so. I think we're going to leave my statement to that without answering any questions.
Under a deferred prosecution agreement, Amamiya will pay $50,000 in restitution, but did not plead guilty and will have the charge dropped after 2 years of supervision.
Having the opportunity to have all charges dismissed as if they never were brought weighed heavily in my decision to accept the government's proposal.
After sending Louis and Catherine Kealoha to federal prison, lead prosecutor Michael Wheat from San Diego lost the bribery case against former prosecutor Keith Kaneshiro. After he retired, his team negotiated today's outcome. It's not clear if she was talking about the current state of the U.S. justice system, but the judge did say that this case was a reminder of the importance of the constitutional separation of powers and checks and balances in government. Reporting from federal court, Daryl Huff, Hawaii News Now.